Schur.com here with Bellator flyweight Colleen Schneider ahead of your Bellator debut coming up here, Bellator 170. A lot of craziness going on with some opponent changes. What has this process been like leading up to this fight?
It's been a little bit nuts. Even finding someone in the first place took a while, and then Rebecca Ruth, who has signed with Bellator, has fought for them twice before, took the fight, so that was set, done deal. And then a little over a week ago, she pulled out because of a back injury. And so for the past 7-8 days, Bellator has been scrambling to try and find me someone, and they've really been working. We were going to go up to weight and bantamweight if we needed to, so we were looking at 25, 35, and just 2 days ago we got a confirmation on an opponent, so I'll be fighting Christy Daniels now.
Talk about moving down to flyweight. You're comfortable at this weight, right?
Yeah, I started my career at bantamweight, and then I fought at flyweight for a time when I was fighting for Super Fight League. I was their flyweight champion, and then I went back to bantamweight to do the Ultimate Fighter, and then after that just stayed at bantamweight. So I'm actually happy with how the cut's gone, where my weight's at right now. You know, tonight the weight cut will suck because the weight cut always sucks. It's never fun, no matter what. But I feel good, and I'm excited to go back down to this class. That when I fought at flyweight before, I felt really good. I felt really strong and dominant. So I'm looking forward to doing it again.
In your last bout, you put up a valiant effort against Tonya Evinger. That was a long time ago now. It's since May. What can we expect from you as far as evolution goes since last time we saw you?
Yeah, so I've been at California Mixed Martial Arts since then. I wasn't for that fight, so I joined that gym shortly after that, and I had worked a ton on my ground game. Just been doing a lot of grappling and incorporating that into my MMA game. Had great people to work with, great coach. So I'm always evolving. I would be happy if every single time someone saw me fight, they'd go, "Oh, she looks different. This is better. This is improved. She never did that before." You know, I'm trying to always grow. So I hate that I've been out of the cage so long, but I think I've grown a lot in that time.
You obviously have some business to take care of on Saturday, but Scott Coker said he plans on crowning a champion at 125 before the end of the year. Where do you think you fit in that mix with a victory if it comes on Saturday?
I think I would have had more pull to get into a contention spot had I fought Rebecca Ruth, since she's a signed Bellator fighter, but I want to put on the kind of performance that they see and go, holy shit, we want Colleen to fight for the title. So I take that as my job Saturday night.
How important is it to not only put on a show to sort of establish yourself in the rankings, but to excite the crowd? This is your hometown, and you know, your last fight was here. You didn't give them the performance you wanted. Do you want to, you know, impress? Do you feel the urgency to impress a little bit?
I wouldn't say urgency, and not even because it's hometown, but anytime I fight. The reason this sport exists is because people want to watch it. Right, so I want to be entertaining. I want the crowd to have a good time. I want people to watch the fight and enjoy it and talk about it afterwards. So that's always a part of the fight, and it's a part of our job as fighters.